Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry this video is coming late, but my Boxycharm box, which is usually here on like the 3rd or 4th, got delayed. So today is the 8th. I just got my boxes, so I'm filming with them and hopefully getting this video up for you tonight. Today's video, we're going to be jumping into the base Boxycharm box, which is the one with the red on the inside. If you want to see all of the items inside of my box, all of the details, plus a demo, make sure to keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. In this case, I will be uploading my premium box tomorrow, so I upload every single day, I guess. So that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I am posting. So if you want to jump into this box with me, stay tuned. Okay, so I did want to just announce prior to doing anything is that obviously you guys already know that the Ofra Good To Go palette is coming to every premium subscriber. So I obviously already have it, and they actually sent me like 3, so I have a few extras. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway in both this video and tomorrow's video. So if you want to enter to win that exact palette, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. You can comment literally anything. Tell me what products you're loving, telling me what you don't like, pay me a compliment. I don't even care. All you got to do is comment, and you'll be entered to win one of 3, well, one of 2. I have one for me, and then I have 2 other of the Ofra palettes. Now, giveaway announcement aside, let's jump right into the box. So the first thing, as always, is the theme card. Boxycharm Fresh Start, very New Year vibe, love it. This is variation, okay, so for the 2nd month in a row, they've changed the variation numbers. It used to be like variation 1, variation 9. Now they've mixed it up a little bit because we realized there was 500 variations. So it says variation C2101032. So I'm assuming that means it's variation 32, but I'm not entirely positive. But if you are C2101032, you have the same box as me. First item out of the box, I will not be using on camera because it is an eye cream. As you guys know, if you're not consistently using an eye cream every single day for 28 to 60 days, you will not see results. So me applying it on camera won't actually help you. But I actually have used this one in the past, so I can give you a review of it even if I'm not using it on camera. This is from Dr. Brandt. It is the Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. Deeply hydrating peptide-powered cream helps to diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness for refreshed, younger-looking eyes for all skin types. Now, this retails for $82. I did get this in gratis back when I worked at Sephora, and I liked it. I used it for about 3 weeks or so, and I had no issues with it. There were no breakouts. There was no problems with it. I just stopped using it because I got excited for something else. So I can't really speak to the efficacy for myself. However, when my mother asked me for an eye cream, I mean, it's in a squeezy thing, not a jar. So cross-contamination was not an issue. I actually gave my half-used tube to my mother. She used it and loved it, and then moved on to whatever eye cream I gave her next. So knowing that she loves this, I will be dropping this in my next care package that I sent home to my mom so that she can use it because I know she already loves this one. Just for skin type's sake, she is obviously older than I am, so more mature skin. She's not mature skin, but a little bit more mature skin definitely than me, and drier. So if your skin is leaning mature and drying, you can definitely benefit from this eye cream. The next item out of the box comes from Pharmacy. This is the Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. An alcohol-free 2% BHA toner that gently exfoliates, deep cleans pores, and controls oils without overstripping the skin. Ideal for combination oily or acne-prone skin. This retails for $28. Now, I'm almost done with my last toner, which is the Ogler The Perfect Toner, I believe it's called. So as soon as that's done, I will be jumping into this one. Obviously, you guys already know I love the Pharmacy Green Clean, and I have been using from this same greens collection. They had an oil-free cleanser that we just started using in my house about, I want to say 2 weeks ago. Brandon and I both really like that one because it does help to control oils throughout the day. So I am going to be jumping into this toner as soon as that one finishes, but I'm not currently ready for it. I say this in every video, but there is that little expiration date open jar. Excuse my nails. I'm in between getting them done, doing them, applying them. You know the drill. This will expire 12 months after you open it, so I do try not to open new products until I'm absolutely ready to use them. So since I'm not ready, I will be setting it to the side. But I will be honest, there is not a single thing in this of the Pharmacy line that I don't like. The only Pharmacy product I've used I didn't like was the honey it was just too sticky for me. That honey mask, I did give that away. But other than that, I really do enjoy pretty much everything I've tried from them. And the next 3 items are all makeup related, so what I'm going to go do is throw on my base off camera, and I'll be right back when we are ready to try the next item in the box. Alright, I am back, and obviously we got ourselves a little guest while I was off camera, so Mac will be joining us now. My base is done, my eyes are prepped, we're ready to go. The next item out of the box comes from Ciate London. I'm gonna open this up because I've gotten so many comments. Every time I'll like hold up a product and then put it down and start reading about it and nobody can see what it is. So this is the eyeshadow palette and my window in the reflection. Oh, on my face. This is the palette. This is the Velvet Eyeshadow Palette, retails for $30. Create molten metal and matte looks with this palette, featuring a mix of hypermetallic soft shimmers and velvety smooth mattes. This innovative powder formulation delivers high pigment with super soft application. This is what we're going to be using today. I feel like last month I did a purple smoky eye, but like these colors really lend themselves to this like plummy mauvey tone. So we're going to do something like that. So I'm going to take a little bit of this purple tone in the bottom corner on a flat shader brush. This is the Delium Tools 776, and I keep going for a mirror, but there's one in the palette. So I'm just going to dust that lightly in the crease. This is not really going to be a transition color, but for today's look, I want it to be a little softer. So I'm going in with the darkest color first, just to give myself the shape I want on the eye. I can tell you right now, this is applying very gently, blending out beautifully, and I'm not getting any patchiness. And the fact that I'm able to pick up a little bit makes me really happy. I know I'm going to get that person in the comment section who says it doesn't look pigmented. I am going in with such light pressure. I'm not trying to pick up a lot. This is not the palette. This is me. The fact that I'm dipping in as lightly as I am and getting this color payoff, it definitely is pigmented. I'm going to take a decent amount now. Like I'm actually picking up quite a bit. And I'm going to deposit that here. And that is a better reflection for how much pigment is in the pan. This is going to be a pretty simple look, just because we have gotten a Ciate London palette before, plus I have used several of their products in the past. So I am familiar with their shadow formula. I already know I like it. So rather than going in with something super intricate, I'm just going to use some colors and do something a little bit more akin to what you might do at home. I am well aware that a lot of times I do videos where I use like 9 different colors and I blend this with that and it takes me forever and it's cute and all, but most of you, based on the comments I get, are saying things like, that look is really pretty, but I can never do all of that in the morning. You've got kids, I get it. So today we're going to do like a 2 shadow look. I'm going to basically use maybe 3 shadows, but a little bit of purpley plum in the crease, and that's also going to be our definition. On the very tip of the brush, I'm going to go into this salmony shade right here. I've said this a million times, but when I go in with a cool toned look like a purple or a blue or a green, I like to take a contrasting color like this salmony tone. It's like a salmon coral, just to blend out the crease a little bit higher. So when you look in that transition area, that warmth really just grounds the whole thing. And once again, I am taking a very small amount. I don't want this to be very overpowering. I just want to blend the edges with this color. And you guys see how easy. 2 colors, 1 brush, and it's super blended, and I'm ready for my lid shade already, which I'm going to use this super sparkly one up here. And I'm going to take that on a flat packer brush. I will be wetting the formula just so I make sure I don't have any fallout. So I'm going to take a quick spritz of the Maracuja Mist from Tarte. Back into that first brush, I'm just going to blend the crease a little bit to make sure I don't have any sparkles above the lid. And then taking a tiny bit more of that dark purple, I'm just going to feather those edges a little bit so that we don't lose that dimension on the eye. All right, I'm definitely getting a little bit of sparkly fallout on the cheeks. I have said this in previous videos where I get fallout like that. I don't mind sparkle on the cheeks, and the highlighter I'm going to use today does have a sparkle to it, so I don't mind, but if you do, I would definitely, if you're going to use this shade and you don't like sparkle on the cheeks, do your eyes first. I personally don't care. I don't mind a little extra sparkle. All right, I'm going to take this shade right here, which is the same tone, but a little more metallic instead of sparkly. And I'm going to put that on the inner corner. I am going to layer a highlight over it as well, but this will just give us a little base for where that highlight's going to go. All right, I'm going to go pop on mascara, lashes. I'm going to put a little bit of a black liner in my waterline and take that same purple shade and just smoke out the lower lash nice and easy. And I will be right back to talk about the next product in the box. All right, I am back, and once again, big surprise. I'm going to skip the lashes because I kind of like how much of the eye you can see, because every time I put on a lash, like, it basically covers up everything. So we're going to keep the lashes off today and just go a little more minimal. The next item out of the box comes from Laura Geller. Now, I did mention in my spoiler video, this is a product I wasn't super excited for because it's not really one in the past I've liked, but apparently this is a different formula, or so I'm told, so I am going to try this out. Laura Geller High Def Illuminating Duo Heart of Gold. This illuminating duo features a shimmer that radiates with pearlescent polish and stardust sparkle. I'm going to open it so you can see it. Didn't I just finish saying that? There we go. Shimmer is a soft, low-light crushed pearl and the right shade. Sparkle is a high-intensity sparkle that looks as though it was plucked from the night sky. Retails for $33. It is... Oh, okay, I'm more excited for it now. These are powders. So these are not creams. So I'm actually going to start with the more shimmer shade. And just apply a little bit to the highest point of the cheek. And you guys know, once I put on a highlight, I do like to take my blush brush and kind of blush it over the whole cheek. And I'm going to definitely do that now. So just really blending it out so you get that like smiley illuminated cheek on the whole cheek. And then jumping into the sparkly shade, I'm going to top that first shade and the brow, just for a little extra sparkle. This is part of the reason that I didn't really care about getting fallout of the sparkles on my cheek, because obviously we're going to get sparkles on the cheek anyway. While I am here, I'm going to take the low light shade and put that over the eyeshadow on the inner corner. Because this is a little bit softer, I'm not going to take that on the entire inner corner like as big as I normally do. I'm really just going to concentrate that pinpoint. I actually really like that. I was prepared not to like it just because I don't typically love the Laura Geller powder cream products, but I've liked all the powder I've tried, and this is the package that their last cream trio was in, which I wasn't a fan of. But it being a powder is so much better. I like the way that performed, and it does look really glowy. That retails for $33. I don't know if I said that out loud. And the last item is from Bali Balm. This is the Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. Retails for $33 as well. Essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this lip balm its citrusy tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, so it will even out tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes lips for supple lips. Now, you guys know I have a coconut sensitivity. I don't mind it in lip products, but I do try and keep it off the face. So this is a product that I would use. But because there was like 3 lip balms in the last month's box, I'm going to use my Jouer one instead, just because I don't want to open and start using another one until I finish the last one. I am trying to be less wasteful, and that's for makeup and skincare. I don't need to have 90 things open because then I'm never going to use any of it. So I'm trying to be more mindful of that. All right, I'm going to throw on a nude lip, and I'll be right back. All right, to make my life easier, I just took a little bit of a tinted lip balm. This is Laura from Beauty For Real. I love this balm because it's super hydrating and just a touch of color that I actually think works really well with this eye. Okay, so this box, all in all, had a retail value of $206, which for a $25 subscription box is obviously a great value. That being said, the palette alone was $33, and I think it was really beautiful. Like, this is an eye look that I will wear again and again and again. And I love how sparkly it is, so I definitely got the $25 value out of this, which instantly makes it a box that is worth it for me. I also know I'm going to love the pharmacy, and I'm super pleasantly surprised about the Laura Geller. In this box, I will say there are no duds, which is amazing. Not that I expect to love every product in the box, and I'm usually like, there might be 1 or 2 that I'm not going to really vibe with. This month, I think this box is really good. So let me know what you guys think down below. Don't forget to enter the giveaway, and I will see you guys tomorrow in my premium box unboxing, where I will be showing you a full demo and review of the premium subscription box. Plus, there will be an additional giveaway in that video. So make sure to subscribe, enter that giveaway, enter this giveaway, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!